Hey guys, it's Decepticon Jerry here, and today's video, I decided to just skip the intro and just decided to move straight into the review. And as you probably already know, we are going to take a look at the all-new Wooden Railway Edward. So, let's get down to the review, shall we? So, we're gonna take a look at Edward first. As you can see, he's sporting his 440 weird wheel configuration. Even though Edward appears to be slightly, longer, but I can understand why. And let's take a look at the details here. And you can see the rivets in the engine, the red stripes, the red details here. And you can see his side rod there, and the cab of the engine right there, very nice detailed. And let's take a look at the tank. Again, pretty good details. There's the dome. Here's his funnel. And let's take a look at Edward's shock face. And the buffers there, nicely painted. Here's the engine. Again, pretty cool. I really love these details. And here's the back of the engine. And yeah, as you can see, I can see myself and these magnets. But anyway, here's the top of the engine. Here's some nice, lovely black paint on the roof of the cab. And here's the bottom of the engine. Again, pretty cool. It says Edward at the bottom there. Steam cloud. And some barcodes. Blah, 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 blah. Again, pretty cool toy. A much better improvement over the original. I really love this. I really love this new Edward toy. In fact, this is my very first Edward, because when I was a kid, I had all the main characters besides Edward. I didn't get any toys of Edward's when I was a kid. Yeah, I didn't get his take-along version, his Trackmaster. Hell, not even the Wooden Railway versions, which I have more of those than any others, I think. So, this is my very first Edward toy. So, it's pretty amazing that I have this guy for the first time in my collection. So cool. Now let's take a look at his little tender. And again, a much improved tender, as I mentioned in the Gordon review, which you should look at after this video. Please take a look at my Wooden Railway Gordon review after this and see what you think. Since I talk about their tenders more in that video, so check that out. Anyways, back to the tender, and a nicely done molded tender. I really love these details. Here we have this number 2, the rivets, these details here on the side. And here's the red stripes, the wheels, Again, they're supposed to be. This is supposed to have 6 wheels, but since since Gordon, but my tongue stopped working. But since Edward is a small engine, I can see why they made his tender smaller than Gordon's. Well, same height, but short, but you know what I mean. And here are the cool details, just like Gordon's tender. I really like these molded cool details. You can see they're plastic, not wooden, plastic. Here's the front of the tender. Here's the back of the tender. And the bottom says Edward's Tender. Pretty cool. Now for the comparisons. Here is Edward next to the Wooden Railway Thomas, the Wooden Railway Gordon, here he is with his all engines go push along counterparts. Same engines, but from different universes. The real Edward and the all engines go Edward. And just because, here he is compared to Soundwave. This is superior. So that's pretty much it for the new Wooden Railway Edward. And as I already said, I really love this item. It's very special to me. Again, this was my very first toy of Edward. So it's pretty amazing to have him in my collection after all these years of not having him. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, share this video to any friend that might be interested. And I'll see you guys in the next video. This is Decepticon Jerry, signing off.